friends and fans, welcome back to another video. This is Z from Sain Official. So before starting another video, I would like to request you to like, subscribe and share our channel. So today's video is about how to clean up your C drive. Most of the people are worried about this because their C drive is mostly occupying a lot of space on their PC. So I am going to tell you a few steps to clean up your C drive. So first of all, you have to right click on the Windows button and click Run. Here you can type Temp. Click OK, and if it is asking for any permission, just click Continue, and after that it will open up a folder where there are the files that were used temporarily, like for some installation or for some procedures. Just select them all, click Shift Delete. Okay, done. Now I'm telling you the step number 2 that will lead you to the cleanup of your C drive so that you can get more space. Again, go to Windows button, click right click Run. Now this time add a new command, that is %temp %. Click OK. It will again open another temporary folder in which there are the files that were not used by PC. They were just used for temporary purposes. Just select them and you can see there are a lot of files, the unused ones. Just select them, click Shift Delete. Yes, by Shift Delete it will be permanently deleted from your computer. The step number 3, just right click here, again press Run, and now write Prefetch. Okay, it will again ask you for permission. Just click OK, and it will again open the folder in which there are the files that were used temporarily. Just select all, Shift Delete. Yes. Now there's step number 4. Just click Windows button again, type Uninstall, and it will take you to add or remove programs. Just click here and it will open up the list of programs available on your PC, and there are most of the programs you use, and there are some like you don't use them. They are the unused ones. Just right click on them, and then click Uninstall, and they will be deleted. I am going to tell you the last 2 steps. They are very important ones. So step number 5, now you have to optimize your C drive. Just right click here, and after that just open your drive, right click on your C drive, Properties, Tools, Optimize. It will take you to the defragment section, and just click the drive and click Optimize, close. Done. Now step number 6. Number 6, I want to tell you that in most of the times you delete the files by clicking Shift Delete. They are permanently deleted from your computer, but sometimes you just right click on the file and just click Delete, and you know it goes to the recycle bin, and the recycle bin is having a capacity of more than 40 to 50 GB, and that 50 gigabyte is occupying the space of C drive. So just open the recycle bin and just select the all files present there and delete them, and they will be permanently deleted from your PC. Okay, and the last step, the step number 7, open the drive again, right click, properties, and there is an option disk cleanup. Click it. Now it will show you the files that are here and they are unused and getting some space. Just clean up files. It will take some time, and after the cleanup is finished, you are done with it. So after this cleanup process is finished, you can see my C got some more available space. So that was all from today's video. Keep watching our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel. Press the bell icon for more notification and upcoming videos. Thank you.